The Dad's Resource Center has seen firsthand the many biases and barriers that result in children being denied the love, support, and guidance of their fathers. Perhaps the most devastating being the all too common misuse of protection from abuse orders and false allegations of abuse to children and youth services. Close to 25%, 1 in 4, of the more than 300 fathers who have reached out to us report a misused order of protection from abuse against them. And 19%, close to 1 in 5, of these fathers report false allegations of abuse to Child Protective Services, all meant to gain advantage in contested custody cases. These systems have been put into place to support those who are vulnerable, most often women and children. We all support these needed services that have saved lives and helped many get out of truly horrible situations. Unfortunately, it is common practice for a parent to make false allegations against the other parent in contested custody cases because this puts the accused parent into an immediate guilty until proven innocent status that supersedes any existing custody orders. This isn't what these systems were set up for. It's unfair to the accused, hurtful to the children, and an affront to the good work of domestic violence prevention and child welfare. There are organizations here in PA that are working to address these issues. We're letting you know about an opportunity they're providing. Stop False Allegations Against Men, Interference with Child Custody Coalition, IC3, MPA Protect Kids are inviting everyone to a powerful series of online workshops held on the first Thursday of each month from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern, starting April 3rd of this year through September of this year in honor of International Falsely Accused Day. These sessions will feature renowned national leaders, engaging discussions, and practical solutions to address false allegations. Don't miss this extraordinary opportunity to learn, connect, and take action. Click on the link for more information about these sessions. Thank you.